Hello and welcome to Trading Forex like a pro. Yesterday we went over how to set up your trading as a business enterprise so you get to take advantage of the many benefits that come with that. Today we'll focus on creating a trading account or a brokerage account and what you need to do and how to do this to have it set up the right way. Now, which broker you choose for your trading is entirely up to you. I'm going to give you the one that I've been using for the last 15 years. I have absolutely no problem with the company whatsoever. They've been very good to me. I don't, despite what you may have heard about them on the internet or in other videos elsewhere, I cannot contest to those statements at all. I'm nothing but pleased with the broker that I use. This is not a plug. This is not commission based for me here. This is simply my free resource that I'm sharing with you. Regardless, whatever broker you decide to choose, there is one important factor that you must consider, and that is that they have the MT4 or MetaTrader 4 platform for you to use. If they don't offer that platform, then you could still use them if you want to, but you will not be able to load up the bot or trade according to, and then trade according to the way I've been showing you in my past videos. All right. Also, it's important that you've completed step one already, particularly that you have a new account, aka business checking account, even though you're a sole proprietor to get started, because that is the account we're going to link to our actual trading account, again, for the purpose that we keep everything neatly organized and make it very easy for ourselves when tax season comes around to merely give copies of our statements to our accountant or CPA, and it'll make it very quick, very easy, no confusion. So that is also important. All right, that's it. Let's get started. How would you do this? Like I said, I'm going to show you how I do this using my recommended broker, the broker I've been using. It's oanda.com to go to their website. And once I'm on their website, by the way, the setup of creating an account for most brokers follows a similar process. But again, we're using Oanda. You have right off the bat two options. You can create a demo account or you can create a live account. I'm going to show you a demo account is very easy, very quick. Click on it. All you have to do is fill out your country, which is right on the top if you're in the United States. If not, choose your country. Then fill out your personal information, your phone number, click on confirm, and read the requirements of trading can be risky, and you're basically done. Download MT4 platform, install it, and configure it the way I've shown you in past videos. But we're going to go with a live account at this point. So before we start, we highlight platforms and we click on MetaTrader 4. And now you get to see an actual image of MetaTrader 4. At this point in time, we now click on create account and we simply follow the instructions. Do you live in the United States? Yes, if you do. No, if you don't, and then it will let you choose what country you're from. So it gives you a little message saying that trading can be, is a high-risk venture, is not suited for everybody. The usual statement. Click on continue, and now you see everything here that you need to complete in order to get a live account. So you just go through all this and fill all this out. It's equally important you use an actual email address, not a phony fake one, because they will use it to send you some verification emails. Again, other than that, you can follow along right here. And at the very end, you have to verify your identity which is in the form of uploading front and back of your valid U.S. driver license or valid U.S. ID card if you have neither a valid U.S. passport. And then after you complete it with that, it will take you a few days to have it all set up and activated. And once it's activated, you simply go to sign in with your newly created account. You log in. There we go. And just wait for this to load. Okay, you're almost ready to trade. Now here we go. We have to fund our account. There you go. And I can use directly the Oanda online, which is the Oanda app that is either available on the cell phone, both on the cell phone as well as on the internet. We don't want to use that. You can use TradingView. It's a nice little new feature that didn't exist before. Again, I recommend not using that for the sole purpose that the bot that you downloaded only works with MT4, does not work with TradingView. So then if you haven't yet, download the desktop app and install it and continue from there. Now you will be given to fund your account. You go click on it. It'll take a minute or two, a few seconds really, to refresh the screen. And if you haven't been approved yet, you will see right here where it says awaiting approval. If you have been approved, you will have number 3 highlighted saying that you're basically ready to go. In the meantime, while you're awaiting approval, you can add the bank that your business checking account, so that once you are approved, it's easy to transfer funds. And all you have to do right here is to go through this process. I'm not going to do that because it's going to ask for personal information, which I obviously don't want to display on the screen. But you simply go through here, you pick you know how this works, no doubt. Once you click on continue, you get to enter your phone number for verification, so forth and so on. Then you click your bank, you fill in your login and access information for your bank. It will connect, and once it's done with that, then you can fund and get ready to rock and roll. It is really that simple. It is really that easy. You will be given in your an actual login as well as a MetaTrader user ID that you use on your MetaTrader, and after that you're ready to go. By the way, when you are here on this screen, you see that you have V20 and V20 MT4. It's important that you are under V20 MT4 because here is where you want to get MetaTrader 4 from if you didn't download it in the first place. This is all it takes with your account. Once you fund your account, you may have to wait a day or two to get started for the funds to be live, and you're ready to trade. It is that easy. It is that simple. And after that, yeah, you just use the strategy that I've shown you thus far. So now I want to talk a little bit more about funding. In particularly, how much money should you fund your account with? Well, that is a personal decision that's entirely up to you. I will give you one bit of advice that worked very well for me, and that is this. Whatever money you decide to put in your funding account, consider it gone. You don't have it anymore. That way you don't sit there fretting, oh my God, I had 3 losing trades in a row, that money is going down. The moment you put it in your trading account, consider it gone. And that's it. It will give you such peace of mind that you won't believe how much more relaxed you will be in your trading. Also, with that thought in mind, is where you now will have a much clearer picture of how much are you willing to put in there and consider it to be gone. $500, $1,000, $5,000, 10,000, 20. It's up to you, whatever you are comfortable with. I'll tell you what I did. I started out originally with $3,000, and I basically lost my shirt. Then I started again with $3,000, and what I did is I devised a plan to gradually work it up by leaving a portion of my profits in the actual trading account so that my account would gradually grow, and at the same time withdrawing profits so that I have money to live on and money to invest elsewhere. Now, what percentage do you want to use? That is entirely up to you as well. I used 10%. Simple example, 3,000 in my account. I made hypothetically $100 profit. I left $10 in the account and withdrew $90. Again, it's up to you, the percentage that you're comfortable with. If you have no need for the money at time being because you have a full-time job or you have income somewhere else that covers all your living expenses, then by all means, leave the entire profits in there. Just realize we do not include our profits in trading. And the goal here is not to build up a huge trading account balance. The maximum I advise you to get to is $10,000, no more than that, not ever. And with $10,000, you can easily make few $100s a day and up. And when I say up, $1,000, $1,500, depending on how the market is going per day. So it's just a matter of what you set out for yourself, what you're comfortable with. Again, my trading style is very, very different from most traders out there. I don't look to increase my account balance. Once I have my account balance to where I want it to be, which for me is $10,000, then everything above I consider profit. I remove it or withdraw it, I should say, into my business checking account, and from there I then apply it in different ways, which we'll go over tomorrow. This is a very brief and very quick view over how to now set up your trading account and install MetaTrader 4 on your computer. If you still have not too clear, if you still aren't too clear how to install it and set it up, please check back prior videos where I explain all that in great detail. Last but not least, should you have any questions on how to install MetaTrader 4 on your computer, you have two options. You can contact Oanda directly. I believe they do have an online chat. If not, you can call them. They actually offer live support for free, and they are extremely helpful. They will guide you through this process with no problem. If you don't want to do that, you can go to YouTube and search install MT4 or MetaTrader 4 installation, and you'll get plenty of videos to show you the process how to do that from start to finish. So that is it for now. I'll see you tomorrow, and when I talk about what I do with the money that I make, the profits, how I go about splitting them up, and I'll share with you exactly what I do. That video will be stretched out over several videos because I will give you not only how I split up my profits, but I will also give you my exact investments and my real portfolio, and you can just follow along. All right, that's it for now. Take care and God bless.